this call, yes? Yes. Oh my God.
Okay.
I forget it.
Okay.
Okay. Um,
Okay.
good job, Dago. Okay, Dago.
Okay.
The next activity is this. You can, let me, yeah. Can you see that picture?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Uh,
In this picture, there are many activities, yes? For example,
okay.
the number one, ride a bike. So you are going to ride, you are going to say, or you are going to talk, don't worry. Um, Many sentences with these pictures or these verbs, yes? For example, the girls as excuse me, the girls are reading a bike. Yes. Uh,
Okay.
Another example with the verb walk. He is walking in the park. Yes. Easy. Okay,
Okay.
please. Each one.
Uh, what number, teacher?
Whatever. Don't worry. Maybe could be 4, 8, 9. Don't worry. Okay. Whatever verb.
Okay. Um, um, for example, number six, um, he's climbed a tree. He's, he's climbed
Climbing.
a tree.
Yes, he is.
Climbing.
Yeah, good.
Okay. He's climbing
Okay.
number number 10. Um, he's jumping. He's jumping on the court.
Okay, good.
Uh, Number 7. Uh, uh, they are running
Yes, good.
on the avenue. Number 4. Um,
The birds, maybe.
uh, the the birds are uh,
Flying, yes.
frisbee.
Okay. Throwing a frisbee.
Uh, okay, frisbee.
Okay.
Uh,
The last one sentence.
Number okay. Uh, 3. Um, they are kicking ball.
Okay, they are kicking a ball. Yes, good.
Kick.
Excellent job, Dago. Excellent. Good. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh my God. I don't know. Yeah, next. Okay, Dago. I'm going to do a switch because you need to understand so good, yes. So, bien, Dago. Entonces aquí lo que estamos intentando es trabajar, eh, bueno, hacer dos trabajos, tanto con el presente simple, ¿sí? Déjame ver una cosa. Oh my God. ¿Sí? Y el presente continuo, ¿sí? Porque son dos tiempos verbales pues totalmente diferentes, ¿listo? Entonces lo que queremos aquí es dejar en claro ciertas dudas, porque quizás sé que sabes el tema, pero a veces solemos equivocarnos en algunas cositas. Bien, entonces,
Okay.
para nuestros pronombres he, she, it, tenemos nuestros auxiliares o nuestro auxiliar que es el das para las terceras personas, ¿cierto?
Sí, claro.
Entonces, en las formas afirmativas, aquí me dan un ejemplo. She always goes to bed at 9 o'clock. En este caso, el verbo go Go, como es tercera persona, estoy con el she, el verbo tiene que cambiar y a eso le agrego, en este caso, al verbo goes, yes, goes. Como si fuera un verbo normal, simplemente se le agrega s. Entonces, aquí, al final, ves que hay una notica especial, donde es la forma de agregarle o s o en este caso es a los verbos. Entonces, por ejemplo, los verbos que terminan en o, como el verbo go, ¿cierto? Que termina en o, le agrego es. O en los casos donde termina en x, z, c, ss, sh o ch. ¿Listo? Aquí me dan un ejemplo. Juan fixes the motorcycle. Juan arregla la bicicleta. Como estoy refiriéndome a Juan, Juan es tercera persona. Entonces nuestro verbo va con
Sí, claro.
es. ¿Listo? Esto para el caso en
Sí.
los verbos que terminan en estas consonantes, en estas vocales. Para los demás verbos, pues simplemente agregas es. Por ejemplo, en el caso de play, plays, ¿sí? Pues termina en Y, no hay ningún problema. Entonces, para que lo tengas en cuenta. Bien, en la pregunta, en las negaciones, aquí tengo otro ejemplo. He doesn't clean his room every day. Él no limpia su habitación cada día. Entonces, como tengo mi auxiliar, doesn't, el verbo, pues, va en su forma natural, en infinitivo, sin agregarle absolutamente nada. ¿Por qué? Por la sencilla razón de que ya tengo un auxiliar acá en la negativa. ¿Listo? Digamos que solo las formas afirmativas son quienes van a tener la es o la s, dado el caso, de los verbos que terminan en esas letras. ¿Listo? En las formas afirmativas. En las formas negativas y en las formas afirmativas, pues el verbo va a quedar totalmente igual. Nos podemos dar cuenta acá en el otro ejemplo donde está la pregunta que dice, ¿Does Tom often play tennis? Entonces, Tom juega a menudo tenis. ¿Listo? Eso con el does. Con los pronombres I, we, you, they, que ya no son terceras personas, pues cambia nuestro auxiliar, que en este caso es el do. ¿Listo? Igual. Entonces, aquí en las terceras personas, perdón, en las que no son terceras personas, no vamos a utilizar el verbo agregándole ningún tipo de S o S. ¿Listo? Eso solo
Okay.
se hace en las terceras personas, en he, she, it. Fíjate que acá en ningún caso el verbo cambia, ni en la forma afirmativa. Entonces, they sometimes listen to music. Ellos a veces escuchan música. ¿Listo? I don't
Okay.
always have a big breakfast. O sea, y en la forma interrogativa, do you usually read books? Entonces, fíjate que para hacer preguntas, pues siempre vamos a utilizar un auxiliar. Eso sucede en el presente simple, en el pasado simple, en el futuro, en cualquiera. En cualquiera siempre va a haber un auxiliar. En este caso, nuestros auxiliares para este tiempo verbal es el does o el do. ¿Listo? El does para las terceras personas y el do para las que no son terceras personas. ¿Listo? También tenemos unos adverbios de frecuencia en este caso, que es always, sometimes, often, usually, never, every day, rarely, occasionally, ¿ok? Estos adverbios de
Okay.
frecuencia tú siempre los vas a ubicar antes del verbo principal, ¿sí? Como nos podemos aquí dar cuenta, por ejemplo, they sometimes listen to music. Fíjate que el verbo principal, en este caso es listen, y el adverbio de frecuencia está antes, ¿listo? Siempre lo vas a utilizar
Sí, claro.
antes del pronombre, perdón, del verbo principal, para que lo tengas en cuenta. El único caso donde los adverbios de frecuencia no se utilizan antes del verbo es cuando utilizamos el verbo to be. ¿Listo? Bueno, pero igual
Okay.
no viene al caso. Bien, vamos entonces a continuar. Do you have any question, Dago? Is clear for you? Okay. Okay, next. Tell me, Dago. Okay, next.
It's clear
For you. Okay. Ok, vamos a hablar ahora entonces del presente continuo. Pues el presente continuo ya es un poco más constante para nosotros y es de hacer acciones que hacemos en el momento. Yes? For example, I am reading a book. Look, it's raining. She isn't listening to music. What are you doing now? Entonces, en este caso, yo estoy leyendo un libro. Está lloviendo. Ella no está escuchando música. Entonces, en ese caso es obligatorio, pues, si voy a utilizar este tiempo verbal, utilizar el ing en los verbos, ¿cierto? El que le da la terminación ando o endo. También hay unas reglas que hay que saberlas para poder agregar ing a los verbos. Entonces, dicen que si el verbo termina en por ejemplo, acá hay algunos ejemplos. Live. En este caso, el verbo termina en Entonces, ¿qué hago en este caso? Elimino esa y agrego el ing, living. ¿Listo? Aquí hay otro ejemplo. Come, termina en coming. ¿Ok? Cuando los verbos son monosílabos, terminados en consonantes, se duplica la consonante y se agrega ing. Aquí tenemos que tener en cuenta que no todos, bueno, para nosotros monosílabos es que tiene una sola sílaba, ¿verdad? En el español. Allá pues también de alguna forma son así, pero no todos los verbos allá son monosílabos, todos los que tienen una sílaba. Entonces, se refiere más al sonido, ¿sí? Al sonido que sea monosílabo. Entonces, por ejemplo, beg. Beg es un solo sonido. Entonces, por tanto, beg es un solo sonido. Entonces, que agregándole, entonces duplico la última consonante, que en este caso sería have, G, duplico y agrego ing. Lo mismo con el verbo win, ¿sí? Win, un solo sonido, win. Entonces, duplico, que en este caso la última letra es N, duplico esa consonante y quedaría winning. ¿Listo? Okay. It's so easily. Don't worry. Okay. Understand? Yes.
Yes, teacher, I understand.
Okay, good. So, we are going to do this to practice with this. Give me a second. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same activity. Okay, Dago, please. Can you see anything in my... Yes, can you see the activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please. You in this activity, you are going to choose the correct verb in the for simple present or present continuous. Depends of the sentence, depends the context. Yes. Okay. For example,
Okay.
Mary usually is going to school by bus. What is this? In this case, is goes. Yes. Mary usually goes to school by bus. Yes. Okay, next. Listen. Listen.
John, listen.
Yeah.
Is playing the violin.
Yes, good. Next.
I always do my homework after school.
I always do. Okay.
Do they are they are watching television at the moment.
Yes, good. Next here. Is a question. Yes. It's a question.
Okay, a question. She
But do you need auxiliar? Do, does, or is?
Does. Does
Okay.
she visit her grandma every Saturday?
Yes. Does
Visit.
she
Visit.
visit her grandma every
Visit.
Saturday? Yes. Good. Here.
Okay. Um, uh, are you playing computer game right now?
Okay. Are you playing computer games right now? Yes. Good. Excellent. Okay. Here,
Uh,
my brother.
my mother doesn't like geography. Doesn't
Geography.
like
Yeah. Geography. My brother doesn't like geography. Yes. Good.
geography.
Yes. Good. Okay. This.
Um, uh, we aren't fishing at the moment.
We aren't
It's correct.
fighting.
Aren't fishing
Fighting.
at the moment. Or
Fighting.
fighting.
Yeah, at the moment.
Fighting
Yes.
at the
Next.
moment. Uh, do you do other working a factory?
What do you say, do?
Do your father working in a factory?
Working or work? In this case, working, work, or works?
Eh, tu padre, ah, your father, do, do
In
your
this case, will be
is,
is your
is
fa
your father is your father working a factory?
Yes, good. Is your father working in a factory? ¿Está tu padre trabajando en tu fábrica? Yes, good. So, this.
Eh, she doesn't learn English at the moment.
She doesn't learn. Yes, good.
What time? mm, What time today? What time today? Getting up?
But if you use do or does, the verb is normal within ing. What time they get up? Yes. ¿A qué horas ellos
Get
se
up.
levantan? Yes.
¿A
Yes,
qué horas
because
ellos se
do
levantan?
or does
What time
present.
today get up?
Yes.
They get up.
Sorry, Dago. In this sentence, uh, will be better. She is learning English at the moment. Ella no está aprendiendo inglés en el momento. Sounds better.
Ah,
Yes? Yeah.
no es una pregunta, sí.
Yes, good. She isn't learning English at the moment. Yes? Okay. This
Sí,
is.
la confundí con una pregunta, sí.
Don't worry.
Eh,
We
ya. We eh,
play, plays, or are playing.
we are playing football on Sunday.
Yes, we play football and Sundays. Yes, good. Uncle.
Uncle Tom eh, 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 drive his car.
Yeah, drive his car. Yes, good. Where is mom?
Where is mom? She is cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah, good. And the last one.
I take the dog for a walk every day.
What do you say? I understand, excuse me, sorry. I
I I take I take the dog
I
a
don't
walk every day. Yo llevo
don't or I am not taking.
eh,
Don't take.
señor, pero ¿cómo hago? Don't take.
Yes,
Pero
I
puede ser
don't take.
también porque
Mm,
¿cómo sabe uno que es negativo?
igual todas son negativas, mira. Doesn't take es
Ah,
negativo. Don't take es negativa. I'm not taking también es negativa. Todas te las están dando negativas. Aquí lo importante es mirar si te están
ya.
viendo, si
Ya,
estás,
ya, ahora sí entendí, sí.
¿sí? O sea, aquí lo importante
Ya,
es
no lo había.
distinguir, ¿es presente simple o es presente continuo? ¿Listo? Entonces, ¿cómo quedaría mejor? I
Okay.
don't take the dog for a
I,
walk every day.
I am not taking for a walk every day.
Yes, good. Okay, thank you, Dago. Good job, Dago. Excellent. Yes. So,
Thank you.
please, Dago. Uh,
Okay.
Give me a second, please. You are going to see this picture. One moment, please. Please organize your ideas. So, you are going to watch that picture very well. Yes? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4. 4 parts. So, you are going to create the same story with your own words. Yes? For example, in picture number 1, Tom, uh, or maybe Helen. I don't know what is her name. Yes? Helen is giving a present for Tom. Yes? With your own
Okay.
words, you are going to tell me that history. Yes? With your own words.
Okay.
Yes? Okay, Dago. Please write in the chat while I can correct with your English. Yes. So please, you have to 5 minutes, no more. Yes. If you have um, some questions, please tell me. Yes. So,
Teacher,
tell me.
do you want to do the homework right now, or I, I, I take uh, some minutes
Yes,
or
you have to 5 minutes, no more. 5 minutes, but you create your history with this picture. Yes,
okay.
but using the present progressive and simple present. Yes, two tenses at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, 5 minutes.
Uh,
Let's start now. Yeah, tell me.
each one in each or
What is no? I don't understand you. That one.
or number or
Ok, Dan, mira, lo que tienes que hacer es crear con tus
sí,
propias
yo lo
palabras,
entiendo,
contarme este
pero
cuento.
una sola cada imagen, una historia cada imagen o
No, 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 no. O sea, eso es una historia, una sola historia. ¿Sí? Hay
ya.
4 cuadros, ¿cierto? Hay 4 cuadros, entonces tú cuentas una
Sí,
historia
ya,
general, pero solo esa, esa historia a nivel general. Entonces tú me das ahí de decir, Tom está de cumpleaños, su amiga Helen le está dando un regalo, pero utilizando el presente simple y el presente progresivo al mismo tiempo, ¿listo? Entonces tienes 5 minutos para hacerlo. Entonces, si tienes alguna duda, me preguntas. Dale. Me escribes en el
Vale.
chat, por favor. Dago, are you ready? Finish the activity?
No, teacher,
Okay, 2 minutes, no more. Okay?
minutico.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Teacher,
Yes, finish?
uh, I, I did the history of two pictures
No,
because
don't worry. Don't worry. Tell me that to picture. Don't worry. No
okay,
problem. Okay. Okay? Tell me.
okay, Helen, it's a happy birthday.
Okay.
And her in her friend is giving a gift. Then they is going to her house to celebrate, and and they are splitting the dessert.
Okay.
Then they are splitting the then they are blowing some balls, and they are dancing.
Okay, Dago. Yes, you're right. But
Me, me, teacher, me demoré porque estaba intentando escribir, pero no me dejó escribir un poquito, no me dejó escribir nada. en el chat.
Yes, Dago. I don't know what happened
Quizás
there.
no sé
Maybe,
qué sucede.
maybe later I can read your answers, okay? Okay,
Okay.
Dago, don't worry. So, um, good job, Dago. Tell me if you
Okay.
want, if you can't hear something in this moment. Can you hear something?
Uh, I can't hear the sound. No sound.
Yes, can you hear that sound or
No
no?
escucho el sonido.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay, don't worry.
Silencio.
We are going to
Ah,
do first activity, the read, and so we are going to respond that activity because you can't hear the sound. Okay. Okay, please.
okay.
I am a girl. You are a dad. You are my dad.
Oh,
Okay. You are a daughter. Okay, girl.
okay.
Dad, I am boring today. I want to go to a movie.
A movie today? Well, I don't here. Let me look at the newspaper. Okay. Uh, here a movie starts in the afternoon. 2 for 5 minutes. Well, should we take money with us?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to wait for money because it's at right now.
Okay.
All right, and what should we do after we see the movie?
Go on a walk.
Well, where would you like to go on a walk? Would you like to go down to the beach or through the park?
To the beach.
To the beach? Well, that sounds great. And then maybe we can go out to eat. To that sound okay.
Yeah. I love Daddy. Okay, Dago. You don't understand something? Many one expression or maybe one word.
Uh, uh, I don't know the word mommy.
Mommy, it's
Mommy.
the same mother, but mommy is so cute. Mommy, daddy, grandma. Yes,
Uh,
it's
okay.
the same. Mommy is the same. The mother. Yes,
No,
that's a sweet
only that the
expression. Como mami, mamá, como una forma más dulce de
uh,
decir. ¿Listo?
yo me supuse, pero nunca la había visto.
Ah, ok.
Vi,
Mommy, mother, there are another word. My God, I don't remember. But okay. I know there are another words for express mommy or mother, but I don't remember in this moment. Okay. Another question?
okay.
Or understand
No,
all?
it's for me.
Okay, yes, that. Okay, so if it's clear for you, you are going to resolve or respond that question. Yes? Question number
Okay.
one. Where does the young girl want to go with her father? to the park, to the movies, to the swimming pool? What option is correct for you?
Letter B. To the
Yes, good. To the movies. It's letter B. Yeah, okay, oh my god. Okay, here in my screen I can choose the correct option. But the option correct is B. Yes, good. Okay, number 2. Please read. Read the question and answer the question.
Okay. What they going? Okay. Number 8.
Yeah. What is the answer?
Father.
Yes, good. Excellent, Dago. Excellent, good. Number 3.
Uh, based on the conversation, and with uh,
If you need to see the text again, tell me. Yes? If you don't understand the question or you don't remember.
I don't remember.
Okay, don't worry, please. You are going to read.
Okay. Okay.
Yes? You know yet?
Okay. Yeah. Number B.
Yes.
12 p.m.
45 p.m. Okay, number 4.
The girl want to do later.
Okay. Do you remember what?
See, she wants to go down to the beach.
Yeah, excellent. You're right. Okay, number 5 and last question.
What does the father suggest they do at the date?
Don't remember? Do you need the
I don't remember.
text?
I
Okay,
don't remember.
Please read.
Okay.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
What? Excuse me?
I think I go to the restaurant.
Yeah, go to the restaurant is the correct action. Okay, clap your hands, Dago. Excellent work. Good job. Yeah.
Okay.
And Dago, thanks a lot for your attention. You are a good student in the class. So see you tomorrow, no, Thursday, yes? Remember, I don't remember when. Let me check in my WhatsApp group B.
Okay.
Yes, Thursdays, on Thursday, yeah? See you next Thursday at the same time, 8 o'clock, yes?
Okay, teacher.